Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. So in this video, you will learn about the social work profession at kung ano nga ba ang role ng isang social worker sa ating community. First, let me introduce myself. I am Mary Grace S. Dilantar, second year student, taking Bachelor of Science in Social Work in Pangasinan State University. So what is social work? According to global definition of social work is a practice-based profession and academic discipline that promotes social change and development, social cohesion, empowerment, and liberation of people. Principles of social justice, human rights, collective responsibilities, respect for diversities are central to social work. It is underpinned by theories of social work, social sciences, humanities, and indigenous knowledges. Social work engages people and structures to address life challenges and enhance well-being. For more interesting information about social work, let's watch this video as I interviewed one of social worker in our community here in Sual, Pangasinan.
Ang alam nila is giving lang tayo, nagdidilata, sabi nila. Pero at the end of the day, marirealize mo sa sarili mo na, oo nga pala. Bakit kailangan pa natin to?
Today, I will going to interview Ms. Norlin M. Pasagoy, a registered social worker employed at Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office headed by Ma'am Lourdes Sabido here in Sual, Pangasinan. In this video, we will know what are her roles and functions as a social welfare officer too, and what are the programs and services of their agency with regards to this field of social work.
Years na po kayong registered social worker?
2014, then after graduation, nag-exam na kami. Years ako sa DSWD, Region 1. Employed ako ng 2020 lang dito sa local government.
Ano po yung roles and functions niyo po bilang social worker po dito sa field na to?
Nagiging generalized social worker tayo dito. Sa akin lahat ng mga sa family, problem sa social problem ng family, ng children, ng women's, gano'n. Doon pumapasok lahat. Yan yung sinabi kanina ni Ma'am, pasok sa'yo ang CAR, ng CNSP, ng WEDSE, ng POLO, at ng CICL. Sa'yo ang solo parents, sa'yo ang children, sa'yo ang senior, PWDs, lahat na. Yun.
Masaya naman din.
Masaya. Kahit na madaming trabaho. Kasi pag local government ka, lahat na. Hindi lang ito yung hawak ko. Pag sa NGO kasi specific ka. Yung may mga program and services pwedeng itap natin para yung social functioning ng isang tao is talagang i-a-approve siya. Message ko lang sa inyo, explore nyo lang kung ano yung magiging social work, ano yung mga iba't ibang agencies, ano yung mga program and services nila. Kasi at the end talaga magagamit mo sila. Kahit sabihin mo na social work ito, dito lang ako mag-i-stick, hindi. Mas maganda na mas maluwang, mas marami kang alam na agencies, private man siya or government or ano, as long na nakikita mo na sila ay functional, mas maganda talaga na alam mo yung mga activities nila. Yun yung pinaka-best para makakatulong ka talaga ng malaki.